Welcome to the Western Idaho Community Crisis Center. Let me show you what we've got going on in here. So here we have a security point of entry where folks will be welcomed and then also screened to make sure that they are safe to enter the facility. Once they're cleared by security, we have an opportunity for them to be medically screened and cleared to make sure that it's safe for them to stay here and that they don't require a higher level of medical care. So once we have determined that, folks will be brought out to the main floor. We've been really fortunate to have such a beautiful facility available. So out here on the main floor, you'll see we have a couple of individual offices for clinical work or work with a peer support specialist or a recovery coach. As you look to kind of the main floor here, you'll see we're separated by two resting areas, divided by gender, both male and female. We have 10 resting mats in each of the areas. So this is a 23-hour and 59-minute facility, which means it is not a 24-hour facility, but folks are able to access the facility for 23 hours and 59 minutes to link with case management, to do a mental health assessment, a substance use disorder assessment, as well as get some sort of initial medical screening to make sure they're safe. Another thing that's interesting about this facility is everyone is able to access it regardless of having insurance, their ability to pay. So no one at any point in time will receive a bill from this facility. Out here, you'll see some sort of main area for folks to congregate as well as receive brief solution-focused interventions. Those will be done individually as well as in groups. So we have a nice seating area as well as an area for eating. We have two small quiet rooms that will be available to folks who are perhaps experiencing a need to be secluded from the rest of the folks out on the floor. I can quickly show you the break room if you'd like. This is our employee break room, but it also serves as a place for us to store some of the donations that we've received from the Idaho Food Bank. One of the things that is interesting about this facility is it's been identified as a closed food pantry, which means that folks who come into the facility and screen positive for food insecurity would be able to leave here not only with a list of community resources, scheduled appointments, but also they'd be able to leave with a food box. So another thing that we have available here for folks that are accessing the Crisis Center is we have full showers, full bathrooms, and laundry facilities. We've also been fortunate to receive donations of clothing and other goods that folks would perhaps utilize at the Crisis Center and need to take with them. Including some games as well as books, and we mentioned the food boxes as well. So that's the facility. We're looking forward to showing up and serving Region 3.